Patiala. My qualification is BTech and MTech in Computer Science, and I am pursuing my PhD under the guidance of Dr. Kavalji sir. My total teaching experience is around 8 years. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. The next participant is Dr. Lakhveer Singh.
Hello.
Hello, Hanji sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Please introduce.
Hanji.
Hanji sir, you are audible.
I am Dr. Lakhveer Singh, Assistant Professor, Punjabi University, Patiala, Department of Social Work. So I am. My total experience is 8 years. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Please, okay. The next participant is Dr. Vishal Verma. Dr. Vishal Verma, yes.
Good morning to all. This is Vishal Verma here. I'm Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Applications, Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University, Jind of Haryana. I have approximate 18 years of experience, completed PhD in 2012, completed one UGC funded project, and per year for the project are published in the journal.
So your voice is not audible. Dr.
Hello?
Vishal Verma.
Am I audible
now
now,
you are audible. Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay, I'm repeating, ma'am, Ramani. Myself, Vishal Verma. I'm Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Applications of Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University in Jind, Haryana. I have approximate 15 papers published in Journal of Repute. I have 18 years of experience in teaching only. Completed one UGC funded project in 2012, and I also completed the PhD in 2012 itself. Every year, approximately 20 to 25 students we are supposed to supervise of MCA and MTech. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request next participant, serial number 6, Dr. Rajvinder Singh.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am Dr. Rajvinder Singh, Assistant Professor at Department of Punjabi University.
So you are not audible.
In Language, Literature and Technology. I am my specialization computation linguistics and Punjabi language, software development of Punjabi language. My experience, teaching experience, 6 years, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello.
I request, okay, thank you, sir. I request Dr. Lakhveer, please mute. Okay, he has done. Thank you. Now, next participant is Dr. Meena Thakur.
Recording has started.
Meena Thakur. Serial number 7, Dr. Meena Thakur. Dr. Meena Thakur, please unmute your mic. I repeat, Dr. Meena Thakur.
Go ahead and call another. You may invite her again.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now I request next participant, serial number 8, Mr. Harjinder Singh. Mr. Harjinder Singh, are you there? Okay. I'm continue. Okay, next serial number is Dr. Okay, Harjinder Singh is present. Yes, Dr. Harjinder Singh. please introduce yourself. Sir, please unmute your mic. Harjinder Singh, Mr. Harjinder Singh, please unmute your mic. Yes. It seems there is some technical difficulties.
No, Dr.
Sir,
Harjinder was unmuted and he was even his voice was also coming in between. Okay, Dr. Meena
Yes.
Thakur is there, so we can start with Dr. Meena Thakur.
Okay. Dr. Meena Thakur, please introduce yourself.
Hello.
Hanji ma'am, you are audible.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Meena Thakur. My serial number is 13. I'm principal at Swami Vivekanand College of Education, Banur. My subject is education, and I have done my PhD from Punjabi University in 2014. My research area is mathematical creativity.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Now I request next participant, Dr. Gurpreet Singh.
Hello.
Okay, Dr. Harjinder Singh is available.
Harjinder sir, please
Dr.
introduction दो. Dr. Harjinder, please introduction दो अपनी.
Hello.
Harjinder, हाँ जी, please बोलो sir, please
Hanji
बोलो.
sir.
Hello.
Hanji sir, you are audible. Please introduce. Sir, I think there is some technical difficulty. So, should I continue to the next participant?
Let me join again.
Okay, sir. No problem. I will announce your name after the Dr. Gurpreet Singh. Now I request Dr. Gurpreet Singh. Sir, please unmute your mic.
Hello.
Hanji sir, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, all the participants. My name is Dr. Gurpreet Singh Tanoa, and I am working as assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. I have completed my doctorate in 2012 from Thapar Engineering College, Patiala. So, thank you, all the participants.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir, please unmute your mic. Dr. Gurpreet Singh.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Hanji.
1 second.
Okay. Now I request next participant, serial number 10, Mr. Jagjit Singh.
Good morning to all. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Good morning to all. My name is Jagjit Singh Chattha. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Punjab University, Patiala. I have completed my MTech from Gyani Jail Singh College at Bathinda, and presently I am teaching manufacturing technology and quality control to the bachelor students of engineering. Total teaching experience is of 5 years. I have joined this university in 2015, end of 2015, and till now I have published 6 international publications, and my hobbies are singing and listening to music. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
We got one person who can be in the cultural committee as well.
Definitely, yes. Sir, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now again, request Mr. Harjinder Singh if he is able to connect now. Mr. Harjinder Singh. Harjinder Singh. I think he is not there, so I will announce his name at the end. So now I'm going to start with the next participant, Mrs. Satveer Kaur. Mrs. Satveer Kaur.
Everyone, I am Satveer Kaur. Qualification is MCA, MPhil, GCF. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay.
Ma'am, please
I'm
continue.
working as
You are
an
audible.
assistant professor. Hello.
Hanji, ma'am. Please continue. You are audible. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science in Khalsa College, Patiala. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The next participant is Dr. Krishna Singh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Krishna Singh. I am audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Myself, Dr. Krishna Singh, University of Gaurbango, Malda, West Bengal. I am working in this university since August 2016 as an assistant professor. I have completed my master's degree and my PhD degree from the University of Burdwan. I have published a few papers in the reputed journals. My research area is rural livelihood, performance of national Manrega work, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next participant is Dr. Chandan Kumar. Dr. Chandan Kumar. Dr. Chandan Kumar Pandey.
He is not the participant. He has not joined.
Okay, sir. The next participant is Dr. Manju Sood.
Hello.
Hanji, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am. And good
Yes,
afternoon
good
all the
afternoon.
participants and everybody present over here. I'm Dr. Manju Sood. My qualifications are MA Sociology, MA English, MEd, and MPhil in Education, MEd in Education and PhD in Education. I'm working as principal investigator in the College of Education, Patiala. I have more than 14 years of teaching experience. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I think Dr. Harjinder Singh is available now. Now I request Harjinder Singh, please introduce yourself. Mr. Harjinder Singh.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself. Sir, please unmute your mic. Your voice is not audible. I think he is facing some technical difficulties. So I continue.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. The next participant is Dr. Sarabjit Singh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible. Please introduce yourself.
Dr. Sarabjit Singh from Khalsa College. My department is Punjabi. I am working from this college. PhD and two students in myself. Thank you very much. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am Dr. Sarabjit Singh, assistant professor.
You are audible, please continue.
Sarabjit
You
sir,
are
ਤੁਸੀਂ
audible.
ਥੋੜਾ yes, 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 you are audible.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hello.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Raman ma'am, please move to next. She
Sure,
has
sure.
introduced.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, Dr. Sarabjit Singh. Now I request next participant, Mrs. Shailja Mahadapa. Mrs. Shailja. Serial number 16. Yes. Ma'am, please unmute your mic.
Myself, Shailaja Mahadappa, working as an assistant professor in physics from Government First Grade College, Basav from Karnataka. The university, that is HRDC Punjabi University Patiala, has allotted me the serial number. I feel proud and very happy to participate in this 84th refresher course on ICT. So I thank the staff members of the university. I have a teaching experience of 7 years at Engineering College and 2 years at Eritrean Institute of Technology, Eritrea, that is Asmara, and 11 years of teaching experience at Government First Grade College, Basav from Karnataka. And very happy because I am utilizing my time in this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, please mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Now I request next participant, Dr. Balraj Singh.
Hello.
Hanji sir, you are audible.
Good morning ji. Sat Shri Akal. Myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of History, Punjabi University Patiala. I completed my PhD in 2008. My teaching experience is 11 years and I am visited as a visiting professor in State University Solo, Indonesia and State University Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Thank you ji.
Thank you, sir. The next participant is Dr. Manoj Mittal.
Namaskar. This is Manoj Mittal. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, IKG Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Is it clear? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible.
I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from NIT Jalandhar, then master's in mechanical engineering from Gyanijal Singh College of Engineering and Technology, Bathinda, and PhD from IIT Roorkee. I have more than 23 years of experience in teaching plus some industrial experience. I completed one PhD and more than 5 MTech theses. One is ongoing. Right now, I am working as assistant professor in IKG Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, Kapurthala campus. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. The next participant is Dr. Parisha. Dr. Parisha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, you are not audible. No. Ma'am, please unmute. Dr. Parisha, please unmute yourself. Dr. Parisha, ma'am, please unmute yourself. You are not audible to us. Dr. Parisha. Okay. Now I will continue. Next participant is Dr. Gurpreet Singh Sidhu.
Hello ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are.
I am Dr. Gurpreet Singh Sidhu, Department of Civil Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. I done my PhD from Thapar University in 2017. I have 9 years of teaching and 2 years of industry experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Harjinder Singh. Actually, he was not able to connect properly. So now I request Mr. Harjinder Singh to introduce yourself, please. Mr. Harjinder Singh. Sir, unmute yourself. Yes, sir. Sir, unmute yourself, Mr. Harjinder Singh. You are not audible to us.
Please go ahead with next participant.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, from now onwards, I'm going to hand over the duties to Mrs. Rekha Devi for the rest of the session. Mrs. Rekha Devi, ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
please continue the session. Okay, thank you all.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Rekha Sharma from Government College, Bhanduta, District Bilaspur. I am Assistant Professor in Mathematics. I have 9-year teaching experience. I am pursuing my PhD. Now I am there. Now I would like to invite Dr. Vishal to introduce yourself. Dr. Vishal. Dr. Vishal. Sorry, Dr. Vilas. Dr. Vilas, sir. Dr. Vilas. No, sir, you are not audible. Hello. Unmute your mic, please, sir. It seems there is a technical problem, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, please introduce yourself. Dr. Vilas. Hello. Dr. Vishal. Dr. Vilas. Hello.
Dr. Vilas, please try to speak.
Hello. Can you?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible.
Banar from assistant.
Dr. Vilas, unmute yourself. You have muted yourself.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please speak fast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vilas Bandgar, assistant professor from Uma Shikshan Shastra Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. I'm teaching experience in 9 years, and my PhD in award in August 2017, and I'm teaching here in 9 years. Thank you very much.
Unmute, sir. Please unmute your mic. Now I would like to invite Dr. Gauri Khanna. Dr. Gauri Khanna. Dr. Gauri, please unmute your mic. Dr. Vilas, please mute your mic.
Hello.
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 Ma'am, you are audible. Audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. I am Dr. Gauri Khanna. I am working as an assistant professor in PT Department of Music Vocal, Khalsa College, Patiala. My qualification is MA, PhD. My teaching experience is 5 years. Thank you so much.
Unmute your mic. Okay, ma'am. Next participant, Mrs. Amanpreet Kaur.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, I am Amanpreet Kaur and I am working as an assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department, Punjab University, Patiala. My specialization is Transportation Engineering and my total teaching experience is 5 years. Thank you.
Now I request next participant, Dr. Rajkumar. Please introduce yourself. Sir, please unmute yourself. Dr. Rajkumar.
Madam. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Good afternoon. Please continue. Good afternoon.
Sir, myself, Dr. Rajkumar, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bidar, Karnataka State. I have got MA, Usmania University, Hyderabad. I have got PhD, Karnataka University, Hampi, Karnataka. My total teaching experience is 12 years, and I have presented 2 research papers. Thank you and all.
Next participant, Mr. Chankeswa Muthe. Sorry sir, अगर mistake है कोई नाम लेने में. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
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 Sir, you are audible.
Okay. Myself, Channakeshwar Murthy, working as an assistant of mathematics at Government First Grade College, Bidar, Karnataka. And my experience is around 12 years. And my field of interest is graph theory. Thank you.
Dr. Girja.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Dr. Girija Mangalagatti. I am working as assistant professor in electronics, Government First Grade College, Bidar, Karnataka since 2008. I did my PhD from Gulbarga University, Kalburgi, and my area of research is material science, ma'am. I have 13 years of teaching experience, and I have also completed one UGC-sponsored minor project, ma'am. Thank you.
Next participant, Miss Sunita. Miss Sunita.
Hello everyone. Myself Sunita and I am working as assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala, and my specialization is Water Resources Engineering and I am pursuing my PhD from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. Thank you.
Next participant, Dr. Jagtar Singh. Dr. Jagtar Singh. Hello. Now I request Dr. Jagtar Singh. Please introduce yourself. Dr. Jagtar Singh, please introduce yourself. Hello. Hello. Dr. Jagtar Singh, please introduce yourself. It seems there is technical problem.
Okay, move ahead.
Next participant, Mr. Waghardkar Mahesh. Sorry अगर नाम देने में कोई मिस्टेक है. Serial number 29.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Mahesh Ganpatrao Waghardkar, working as an assistant professor in chemistry from last 5 years in the subject of chemistry at Hutatma Chandra Patil College, Himayatnagar, from Huzur Sahib, Nanded, and my qualification is MSc Organic Chemistry, NET, SET, GATE, and pursuing PhD in Computational Science. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next participant, Mrs. Jatinder Kaur. Mrs. Jatinder Kaur, please unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning everybody. I am Jatinder Kaur, working as an assistant professor in PG Department of Computer Science, Khalsa College, Patiala. I am presently pursuing my PhD from UTU, and my research area is computer network, and my teaching experience is 16 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next participant, Bhamleen K. Sindhu. Dr. Bhamleen K. Sindhu. Please, sir, unmute your mic. Serial number 31. Serial number 31. Dr. Bhamleen K. Sindhu. Can you hear, sir, me? Hello? Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon to
Serial
all.
Okay.
Am I audible?
You are audible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Dr. Bhamleen Kaur Sindhu, and I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Punjabi University, Patiala. I carry a teaching experience of around 15 years, and I have published around 50 research papers so far. Thank you.
Dr. Jaspal Singh, sir, please introduce yourself. Ma'am, please unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Dr.
Hello,
Jaspal Singh,
ma'am.
please introduce. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Myself, Dr. Jaspal Singh, assistant professor in history, Punjabi University Constituent College, Kudda. I am working last 9 years as a assistant professor. I visited Indonesia and Canada for my research. I published 6 research papers, and now I am working as assistant professor at Kudda.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Next participant, Mr. Sikandar Singh. Mr. Sikandar Singh, please unmute your mic. Mr. Sikandar Singh, please introduce yourself. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
I have also 14 years experience, out of 11 from the field and 3 Thank you very much.
Now I request Mr. Karanveer Singh to introduce yourself. Mr. Karanveer Singh, please unmute your mic. Mr. Karanveer Singh, Serial number 34.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I am Karanveer Singh Randhawa, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. My specialization is in geotechnical engineering and I have 8 years of experience in teaching.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next participant, Mr. Manoj Kumar. Please introduce yourself. Mr. Manoj Kumar. Mr. Manoj Kumar, are you hearing me?
Hello.
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 Sir, you are audible.
Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Manoj Kumar, currently working as Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, Punjabi University, Guru Kashi Campus, Talwandi Sabo. I have more than 14 years experience, teaching experience, and I have guided 18 MTech students and 27 research papers. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request Ms. Dr. Anhad Singh Gill to introduce yourself. Serial number 36.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Anhad Singh Gill. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. I have done my doctorate as well as Masters from Thapar University, Patiala in Structure Design. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Next participant, Mrs. Maninder Kaur. Ma'am, introduce yourself. Serial number 39.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Ma'am, you
Hello.
are audible.
I'm Maninder. Good afternoon to all of you. I did my MSc from GIU and MSc from Punjabi University, Chandigarh, and also doing my PhD. I'm working as an department of Punjabi University, Patiala, and I have an experience of 9 years. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next participant, Mr. Sukhjinder Singh. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Sukhjinder Singh. I am serving as an assistant professor in Punjabi University in the Department Mechanical Engineering. I am having a teaching experience of more than 17 years. I served Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology for 6 years. From 2009, I am here as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, all participants have been introduced themselves. Besides,
Hello,
ma'am.
From Harsi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I am also attending refresher course. My introduction is left. Can I give?
Yeah, then please carry forward with your introduction.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Myself, Dr. Kiranjeet Kaur, working as an assistant professor in Guru Nanak College, Moga, having teaching experience of more than 10 years. I have done my masters from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and completed my PhD in computer applications from Guru Kashi University, Talwandi Sabo. The area of my specialization is data mining. I have published 12 papers in different national and international journals and presented 6 papers in national and international conferences. One of my papers is published in International Book of Springers, named Learning and Analytics in Intelligent Systems. Thank you, sir.
So thank you very much to all the participants of the refresher course. You have given the introduction well. So no doubt some technical issues are always there when we are talking about online mode. But my observation is that still some of the participants who are not sitting in an isolation room and they do not have the proper internet connection. So you have seen that in the morning Maninder ma'am has conducted the session, Rekha ma'am has conducted, Ramandeep Kaur ma'am has connected. why there is no disconnections in between at their end. Even at my end, there was no disconnections currently. So I request you all to please take care of your internet connections and be serious in attending it. You are dedicated for this course only, no other tasks to be done in parallel. And background noises are, there are number of background noises. So please take care of that, because we are also facing issues when we are managing things. We need your cooperation for all these things. So I humbly request you. So now next, moving towards the introduction of the FIPs. So because I don't have the list with me, so I request you all, I am opening the question answer session over here. Only the FIP participants participate in the question answer session like that. Make a queue and one by one introduce yourself. Thank you very much. All the faculty induction program participants are requested to come in queue and start introducing yourself. Okay, so I people are not able to come to the QA session. So what I can do is I request one representative from FIP to conduct this session. Anybody from FIP?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is Roshni Udvani.
Yeah, Roshni ma'am, you are from FIP?
Yes, sir. I'm attending for FIP.
Yeah, can you start your introduction, and then I request the participants of the FIP to kindly join for the introduction one by one.
Yes, sir.
Because
sure.
I do not have the list with me at present. Please cooperate with me.
Oh, yes, sir. Sure. This is Roshni Udvani from Bansanga Annalila College, Mumbai. I have teaching experience of 7 years in this field. I'm currently pursuing my PhD from SNDT University, and I am working for BAF department, that is in commerce. So that's it. And I have published around 6 research papers so far. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Yes,
Hello.
am I audible?
Hello.
Those who have given the introduction, they may leave the meeting and they can join by 2:15.
Hello.
I request the refresher course participants, they have given the introduction, they may leave the meeting and they may join by 2:15.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
please.
Hello.
Yeah, please start with your introduction.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, Dr. Khan.
Hello.
Please
Am I audible to
introduce
you?
yourself. Yeah, please.
Okay. Am I still audible?
Yes, ma'am, please continue.
Okay. I'm Dr. Imtiaza Khan. I'm working as assistant professor in zoology in Khalsa College, Patiala for the last 6 years. I have done my PhD from Punjabi University, Patiala from zoology department. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Professor Gurpreet, you start with. Yes.
Very good afternoon to everybody. Myself, Professor Gurpreet Singh from Chandigarh University. I've done my PhD in Computer Science from SRM University, Chennai, and I carry 12 years of academic experience with me, and I have represented my research at various renowned universities of world, such as Harvard University, Boston, University of California, Berkeley campus, and few IITs like IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur. So I'm very thankful to you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to attend the program. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
Sukhveer Kaur.
Hello.
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 Hello. Good afternoon, all. Okay, sir.
Sukhveer Kaur.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Sukhveer Kaur, working as an assistant professor in political science, Bibi Sharan Kaur Khalsa College, Ripun Kaur Sahib. I have done my MA and MPhil from the Department of Political Science, Punjab University, Chandigarh. My teaching is 10 years. Thank you.
Yeah, then is Dr. Sonu Balagarg.
Hello.
Dr. Sonu Balagarg. Dr. Sonu Balagarg.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Dr. Sonu Balagarg.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Dr. Sonu Balagarg, please introduce yourself.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Dr. Sonu, please introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Sonu Balagarg, working in IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University, Hoshiarpur campus, in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering department, and I have a total experience of approximate 18 years. I have published 15 papers in UGC and Scopus Index journals. Thank you.
Dr. Neeraj Mohan.
Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dr. Neeraj Mohan. I am working as assistant professor in computer science and engineering department at IKG PTU Kapurthala. As per my qualification, I have done my PhD in computer science. My field of interest is computer networks, digital image processing. I have an experience around 19 years to my credit, and I have published more than 40 research papers in the Journal of Repute. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Sunil.
Hello. I'm audible?
Yeah, please. Yeah, I am audible. You are audible.
Okay, sir. Myself, Dr. Sunil Prabhakar Bandare. My educational qualification is MCOM, SET, and PhD. I am assistant professor in Department of Commerce from Nagnath Arts, Commerce and Science College, District Hingoli, affiliated to Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Tarshpal Kaur. Please introduce yourself.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, all. Myself, Dr. Tarshpal Kaur, Assistant Professor, Department of Punjabi, SC College, Barnala. I have done my PhD from Punjabi University, Patiala. I have published 7 books and 13 research papers on different forms of literature. My total teaching experience is around 8 years. Thank you.
Dr. Kumari Sujata.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue. Dr. Kumari Sujata, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं कुमारी सुजाता राजकीय महाविद्यालय अंब जिला ऊना हिमाचल प्रदेश में सहायक प्राध्यापिका हूँ। मुझे नौकरी करते हुए 6 साल हो गए हैं। मैंने MA, MPhil, PhD हिंदी विषय में किया है। मैंने 2019 में PhD का कार्य प्रोफेसर बैजनाथ प्रसाद जी के दिशा निर्देशन में पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय चंडीगढ़ में किया। मेरा PhD का विषय संबोधन संदर्भ की दृष्टि से फणीश्वर नाथ रेणु के उपन्यासों का विश्लेषण रहा है। मैंने 5 राष्ट्रीय शोध पत्र और 12 वेबिनार में हिस्सा लिया है। धन्यवाद।
चेतना थापा।
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please continue.
Hello. Good afternoon, all. I am Dr. Chetna Thapa, working as Assistant Professor, Department of B.Ed, DWT College, Dehradun. Our college is affiliated to HNB Garhwal Central University, Uttarakhand. My qualifications include NET as well as PhD in Education from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan. I have joined this institution in November 2018. Thank you all so much.
Parminder Singh. Mr. Parminder Singh. Please introduce yourself, Mr. Parminder Singh.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please continue.
A very good afternoon to all. I am Palvinder Singh, working as Assistant Professor, Mathematics, College Jalandhar. I completed my PhD on the topic Investigation of Stability for Impulsive Differential Equations, and I have been in this profession for last 15 years. Thank you.
Dr. Vandana Agarwal.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, please continue.
Myself, Dr. Vandana. I'm Assistant Professor in Maths Department in Dashmesh Khalsa College, Zirakpur, that is affiliated from Punjab University. And my qualification is PhD, MPhil, MSc, B.Ed. And right now, I have done my PhD from Punjab University, Patiala, from Maths Department. And I have published 23 international research papers from Scopus Journal and 2 books also, one international and one national book. And I have attended 13 international conferences also. Thank you.
Miss Harneet Kaur. Miss Harneet Kaur, please. Miss Harneet Kaur, harneet.history@gndu.ac.in. Miss Harneet Kaur, harneet.history@gndu.ac.in. Miss Neha Gupta.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, please continue with your introduction. Yes, you are audible.
I am Neha Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mystery from Deswaj College for Women, Firozpur City. I have a teaching experience of 7 years. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Sajeesh T.
So, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, continue.
Good afternoon all. Myself, Dr. Sajeesh, working as Assistant Professor in Botany in Mark Ivanios College, Trivandrum, Kerala, which is an affiliated college of University of Kerala. I have completed 4 years of my teaching career I did my master's program, MPhil program and PhD program from Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore. My area of research is phytochemistry and pharmacology of medicinal plants. I have published about 12 research papers in peer-reviewed and SCI-indexed international journals. I am really happy to be a participant of this faculty induction program organized by Punjabi University, Patiala. I appreciate HRDC Punjabi University for starting online FYP programs, because without which it would not be possible for a faculty like me, who is from the extreme end of southern India, to attend a course in Punjabi University. Thank you all.
Yeah, Ms. Swati Phadke. Ms. Swati.
Good afternoon. Yes, hello, good afternoon.
You are audible.
Am I audible?
Yeah, please continue.
Thank you. I'm Swati Phadke, college librarian from College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Mumbai. I have a working experience of more than 26 years. I'm qualified as MSc in Organic Chemistry, Masters in Library Science, and NET from UGC NET in Library and Information Science. I have published 2 articles in Indian journals. One is in Marathi language. Thank you all.
Yeah, Mr. Kuldeep Singh. Mr. Kuldeep Singh. Mr. Kuldeep Singh. KD Yadav 4x1@gmail.com. Miss Madhu Dadwal. Mr. Manoj Mittal. Naveen Sharma. Yeah, Madhu Dadwal ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Hello, a very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Madhu Dadwal. I am working as Assistant Professor in Physical Education at Vidyashankar Khalsa College, Sri Sankor Sahib. I had done my MPhil from Punjabi University, Patiala. Thank you.
Mr. Naveen Sharma.
Sir, am I audible?
Audible,
Hello.
audible. Please continue. Yes, please, you are audible. Continue.
Namaste and good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. Naveen Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Government College for Women, Parade Ground, Jammu. I have done my Master's and PhD from Banaras Hindu University, and my teaching experience is 3.5 years. Thank you.
Professor Gurpreet Singh. Miss Roshni.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I have introduced at the initial first step only. I did it. Roshni
Okay,
Udvani.
fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Virender Kaur. Miss Virender Kaur.
Okay.
Audible, ma'am, please continue.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon all. I am Virender Kaur. I am Assistant Professor in Economics. I am teaching at Bhag Singh Khalsa College for Women, Abohar. I have done my post-graduation from Punjab University campus. I am NET qualified. And recently I have submitted my PhD thesis at Shri Guru Granth Sahib World University, Fatehgarh Sahib. And I have a teaching experience of almost 10 years. Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Ahmed. Dr. Nasir. Dr. Nasir. Mr. Abhishek.
Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Mr.
Abhishek here.
Please continue. Yeah,
Yes,
audible,
sir.
audible.
Okay. This is Abhishek Shamanto, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Vijaygarh Jyotish Rai College, Kolkata. First of all, I convey my sincerest regards for the director as well as the other organizers for providing me with this opportunity to be a part of this faculty induction program conducted by Punjab University, Patiala. I have been pursuing my PhD in Vishwabharati Shantiniketan, and my research research area rather is post-Rushdie Indian English fiction. My other research interests include literary theory, criticism, gender studies, post-colonialism, etc. And I have published 3 research articles in journals and have also participated in various national and international seminars. And I am eagerly looking forward to this faculty induction program. Thank you. Thank you all.
Dr. Nasir, please continue with your introduction. Dr. Nasir. Dr. Nasir is there. Dr. Nasir. Yeah, anyone else? Yeah, Dr. Nasir is there. Please introduce yourself, Dr. Nasir Ahmed. Okay, Miss Harneet Kaur, would you like to introduce if you have not introduced yourself?
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon to all. This side, Dr. Harneet, Assistant Professor in Department of History, Guru Nanak Dev University, and my research area includes gender study, specifically in colonial Punjab and later on in post-independence period. And presently I am working on Indian Council of Social Science Research project that was specifically in relation to female infanticide and feticide among the religious groups of Punjab. Thank you. I am very glad to be a part of this faculty induction program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So anybody else who is left with the introduction in FIP?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please introduce Ms. Prabjot Kaur. Okay, please, Prabjot ma'am.
Yes,
please.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Respected sir and my dear participants, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Prabjot Kaur. My qualifications are MA Hindi, MEd, NET in Education, MPhil in Education, and PhD in Education. At present, I am working as an assistant professor at Guru Gobind Singh College of Education for Women. I have 12 years of teaching experience, and I am very grateful to HRD Punjabi University Patiala to give me this opportunity to attend this FIP 44. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, this is Gitanjali Mahajan.
I'm working as an assistant professor in English at Lailpur Khalsa College, Jalandhar, and I've done my PhD.
Yes, Parminder.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, I am Parminder Singh, and I am working as an assistant professor in English in post-graduation department of HME College, Jalandhar. I have done masters in English literature from DAV College, Jalandhar. I have also done my B.Ed. I have qualified 3 competitive exams. One is Central Teacher Eligibility Test, second is Punjab Teacher Eligibility Test, and now recently I have qualified UGC NET. And my area of interest is literary theories and phonetics. And I'm sure that this induction program will be a great experience for all of us. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Who's next for the introduction, please?
So may I?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sumit, ma'am, please continue.
Hanji, Hanji. Good afternoon to all. This is Dr. Sumit, Assistant Professor in Economics, Bibi Sharan Kaur Khalsa College, Shri Chamkaur Sahib. I have done my MA, MPhil and PhD from Department of Economics, Punjab University, Chandigarh. I've got 1 book published and 9 of my papers have also been published in national and international journals. I have a teaching experience of around 14 years. Thank you.
Yeah, Miss Gitanjali Mahajan, please. Yes, Gitanjali ma'am, please give your introduction.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gitanjali Mahajan. I'm working as an assistant professor in English at Lailpur Khalsa College, Jalandhar. I've done my PhD from Department of English and Cultural Studies, Punjab University, Chandigarh. I have a teaching experience of around 11 years and my area of specialization is gender studies. I want to congratulate Punjab University for taking on this challenge of conducting this course online.
Ma'am, Punjabi University, Patiala.
Sorry, Punjabi University, Patiala. I'm so sorry. So used to going to Punjab University.
No issues. Continue.
Yeah. So even though this, really doesn't make up for meeting everyone at Patiala and meeting, fellow teachers from all over India, it's really nice to e-meet everyone, and I hope we can sort of, make the most of it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's the thing that I think that will be new for all and wonderful experience as well to e-meet. So who is the next for introduction? Dr. Nasir will be able to. Yeah, Ekta ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Dr. Ekta. I am assistant professor in Institute of Management Studies and Research in Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. My qualification is PhD and MBA Finance. My PhD topic was Price Discovery Efficiency in Future and Spot Market in India. My teaching experience is 3 years and I have published 10 research papers. I am very thirsty to attend this faculty induction program. It will enhance my knowledge and I thankful for the Punjabi University Patiala for considering my application. Thank you, sir, and thank you all of you.
Yeah, thank you. So who is next for introduction?
Am I able to?
Yeah, you are audible. Please continue.
I have done my master's in political science, MPhil and PhD from University of Jammu. I have a total 3 years experience in teaching. I have published 8 research papers in various national and international journals. I would like to thank Punjab University for
my application for the most important induction program. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, who is next for the introduction? Anyone left? Among FIP participants, anybody who is left for introduction? So, okay, thank you very much for introducing yourself, and now you are a family of FIP and RC for a number of days together. You have to e-meet. So I request you to kindly join in your respective meeting IDs. So contact your course ID, course coordinator for. Okay, bye.